Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are, we are making putty. It's vanilla flavored and it's from Jello. Oh no, it's getting on my hand. That's a lot of milk. Okay. Oh, that smells like cardboard. That's because it's a cardboard bag. Does the powder smell like vanilla? Smell it, guys. Oh, it smells so good. Powder. I said powder. Now it's turning yellow. Everywhere. Okay, yeah, that's starting to look like Jello. I mean, not Jello, pudding. But whatever, pudding. I said putty. Why would we eat putty? That's weird. Okay, that's all. We're gonna mix. Oh, that smells like milk. And guys, if you're wondering why I have this like cupcake thing, it's because at school, it's for the first graders, we had field day. It's like when you have activities at different classes. Oh, and I still got the tattoo. Oh, it's starting to form. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at it, guys. Okay, I think that's good enough now. Just a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good. Now, I'm gonna put some pudding in here. Why do I keep saying pudding? Oh. Delicious. Oh, 3 raspberries on the side. I would want to put them pointy like that. See it? And now another one right there. Right there. 1 blueberries. And nope. Time to eat. My favorite part of bacon. Bacon? I'm not eating bacon. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Now we're gonna take the blueberry next. It's very good, the blueberry. Oh no. This raspberry's running away from her mama. Very, very good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to putty thumbs up. Thumbs up with some putty. See you later. Bye, guys.